Okay. So, Uzi, what you doing this evening? Happy Saturday night. Yes. Yes. We got tons of bloody boobs. Trying to design a color palette. Nice. How many colors?
My name is Scott, and
That's actually not true. You do art, and everyone knows about color. In fact, we're asked our favorite color in our lifetime like thousands of times. But I think I understand what you're trying to say. To be an artist, you gotta always think out of the box. Don't ever take yes or no for an answer. Take the gray. Take the gray. You do have color theory. I bet you know the difference between light and dark. I learned the science and art of color theory from T.I. Thomason. He's an expert at it. If I was to show you his work, it would prove it, but I don't really feel like pulling it up because I'm doing a couple other searches right now, but I will if you remind me. He did some games for Sega. He's like the modern Van Gogh, or I don't know what. He taught me a lot. Like
Okay, so it's still the same season.
The first major difference between someone that that think visually and the rest of the world is, what color screen do I have? And 99% of the people would say it's green, but it's not. If you look at it closely, row by row, it's thousands of different colors. It's not a green. It's labeled green. A majority of it is in the green range, but there's all kinds of colors in it. Pink, blue, yellow, they're in there if you look. That's the first, it's one of the first differences between an artist and a... That sucks. Yes, that's artistic. To twist what people say is another form of art. That's correct. Always be twisting. ABT. ABT. We are going to add just something to GitHub. A repo. A mother effing repo. What? God damn it.
Magic.
So much cleaning to do. Let me actually get rid of those tabs. All right. All right, this repo, I'm going to call this Unity Twitter Bot. A free Unity Twitter bot in development that requires no libraries. Initialize this with the README? Yes. Because one thing I want to give credit to is a Unity Store asset. This is... Sure. I'm using, there's like, we have mini JSON and then the JSON, sure. I swear to God, if you're going to go write a JSON plugin, I feel bad for you. Not that I wouldn't use it, I just feel bad for you. Because that sounds so fun. But, might be worthwhile of the JSON things that are on there, see how many reviews they have, see how much people are paying. Because, believe it or not, Unity themselves is probably improving that, right? Woo! JSON. Oh man, is that in? Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Why is my stream channel not here? God damn it. Well, you might have no choice. Like if you're, yeah, in an action game, you don't need to. But when you're, no, I could see pulling down the there might, you sending small amounts of JSON would be fine, in theory. But yeah. I mean, I'm not sure where you're going. I'm open. I'm listening. I want to take a look at... Oh, yeah, my Twitch. Let me try it. Oh, I forgot to run it. That's why.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, crap. I forgot to do this. All right. You gonna hit me with it? Are you gonna write a new internet JSON class for Unity? Because, wow. I do want to read me, and I was digging up an asset in the asset store. Your buildup is not totally necessary. I am appreciating it. I'm digging it. But, you know, are you talking? Okay, we get it. String slow. Unity slow. Internet slow. JSON slow. Slow.
How many does it...
All right, this is the one. Stream parsers. I think I do want it to make a README. I don't know about my licenses. Let's try it. Unity Twitter bot. Cool. All right, let's open Smart Git. God damn it. Hammer! What up, Hammer? Welcome back. Showmaster's catching up on some alerts, so it did happen, but I have the volume. I have it hidden. Pop. Let's also... it feels so much nicer on my eyes. A little harder to read. Out with it, Uzi. Hammer, what has your latest projects been looking at, brother? More shaderificness or... Man, it already has a git ignore file. What's in temp? Temp? Why is there a temp folder? For some reason that's not... I don't know. I'm gonna delete it. A dick. You're doing Fallout 4 modding. SmartGit 17.1. Interactive rebasing and stashing. Oh boy. We're gonna call this... I'm gonna rename it. I'm gonna delete these. Maybe I'm gonna delete this. Good. Rename this. I'm gonna delete this. Tired of it. I'm gonna call this Unity, Twitter. Where'd it go? Unity, Twitter. Bot. Let's open it in Unity. Shall we? Shall we play a game? Shall we play a game? Let's rip that up too. What kind of mod you making? We did a little Fallout 4 mod on this stream. Do you remember? Let's try this one more time.
We play a game. Shall we play a game?
I wanted it. I wanted it. And you flaunted it. You had everything. Turn the needy into the greedy. With game dev, my success came speedy. Doing some shaders in Fallout 4. That's pretty cool. That sounds cool. Right, guys? Good job. You sharing my... Those look like my beam stats. Not sure. Those look similar to my beam stats. Elmer Fudd, fellow Descent and Descendant Studios backer. Hype. an awesome 3D modeler. Now, I was trying to do this earlier. This is for you, Uzi. God damn it. Does it not work? Jason! There it is. Buy me a beer, bro. I'll drink with you. That's awesome. I enjoy Friday night, Saturday night streams. That's what they're for. That's what they're for. This is going to be good. Okay, let's open the scene. Demo. Hit play. All right. I can't stand that cornflower blue. I just can't. I can't even look at it. I'm gonna change it to Twitter blue. I'm not saying that's any better. Twitter. Home. Let's do it. Let's go to the camera. Just eyedrop it this color. There. Now it's Twitter blue. We're legit. Might as well change this to solid color as well. Why be a skybox? Alright. Save it. We're going to commit this. So we basically did a stream where we went through almost every version you can of integrating Twitter into Unity, and we ended up using the free one. We didn't want to use any libraries, so we ended up using the free one called Let's Tweet Unity, but it didn't work in Unity 5.5, and we fixed it. That video we put on YouTube, it's got like 120 views, 6 likes, and requests. People want the code, and that's actually also how we met Adventure Time, the guy that made the Twitter Trump Wars. He used that video to code up Twitter, and that's how he came to the stream. So I'm doing, we got a lot of giveaways lined up, but right now we got a bunch of keys for Bloody Boobs. And we're going to give them away, but it's going to be doing hashtag Bonozo Boobs. And so we just want to update the Twitter bot to be able to do a giveaway. And that's what we're doing. Elmer streamed earlier for the first time in forever. Oh, how does the Frozen song go? Because I want to put that in Showmaster. Isn't it supposed to be like forget about it? For the first time in forever. Oh, let it go. Wow, you must, how many Frozen songs do you know? Because how many do you know? I wanted to sample Let It Go. Is For the First Time in Forever a good one? How many are they all popular? I'm looking at these. I wouldn't know that's a Frozen song. I know this one. You must have kids, or you love the movie. Yeah, you have 2 kids. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, that movie is the gem. I watched. I had the on Christmas they played it. I was really impressed how good it was. Let's add this git. All right, we're gonna drop. We're gonna clone it. I'm realizing I need to make one change. You'll try not to delve into Mona. I don't know. Is that a Frozen joke? Let's clone.
69, dudes!
Jake! You made it! And Norox. Which issue, Norox? Mona's a movie? I never heard of it. There's a Disney movie called Mona? I've never heard of that. Oh, I see it. It looks like... Oh, okay, yeah, cool. Yeah, that's so cool. It's like Hawaiian or something. Whatever. Actually is okay. It's one of those words you just edit out as you read. Alright, let's go clone this thing. No? God damn you. Why didn't it work? What? What's going on here? Clone, turn this off. Here, is this? That's the clipboard. Oh, I just can just press that. I don't even... Shizzle. Shizzle. Alright. Finally. Whatever. It's an interesting movie. Saturation in the video game industry. What do you mean, Norax? You mean the amount of games? I actually thought you were talking about colors. Because Uzi was talking about making a palette earlier, I thought you were talking about the saturation of colors. You mean the number of teams and games? Yeah, the phones, man. The phones did it. We had a really nice little thing going where we were always really excited for stuff. It was neat. It was fun to be a gamer. I think days are kind of getting a little more... It's still fun. It's finally... I guess mainstream is probably an understatement. But it's fucking... Oh, what folder did I put it in? God darn it. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. Such a retard. How did I do that? I was doing that on autopilot. Really? Why can't the search work? I push return. Really? Look at that. It doesn't... That is so irritating. Look at that. It's not even working. The search doesn't even work. That is so irritating. Now it's starting to work. I don't freaking know. I'll have to just do it again. Open and explore. Life swipe. Yeah, that was a mistake. Delete. 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 Close it. Move to trash. Remove it. Do this one more time. Need a faster way to navigate around. The slowest. The values are being diminished too much. Yeah. Steam games were worth about $10. Indie Steam game, I would say the average value was about $10 when they all left the phones and came to Steam. And that was probably about like 2 years ago, maybe a little longer. Let's say 2.5, 3 years ago. And now I would say an indie game is probably worth about $2 average. I'm not talking about actual, I don't know the frickin' stats. I'm saying like that's what they're worth. What people are willing to pay, like average. I know, but growing thing. Some good games are coming out, but also there are some good games coming out. Indie. If you follow the indie Facebook group, man, there's some pretty cool devs out there doing stuff. Oh, I wanted to rename that .jit. I love it when it's .jit. That's like my thing. Let's do that one more time. Where did it go? Where the fuck did I put that? There. Ah. Yeah, right, always. So the way we deal with phrases like always is we do the 80% Bonozo rule. Anything that's happening about 80% of the time is okay to speak like 100 for the purposes of conversation. It solves so many exceptions to the rule problems. And it's an easier way to make decisions. I'm a big fan of it. All right, I think I finally did it right. Finally, it's happened to me. Oh my god, I put it in the wrong folder again? Oh, I'm so stupid. How many times I gotta do this? I'm so fucking stupid. Matt, snap out of it. That's what happens. I almost think I should start changing my schedule where I code a little bit before going live. Just, it could be any project. It doesn't have to be the same one. Just to kind of snap in mode better instead of blubbering live. So embarrassing. All right, let's do it again. Social. There. That is correct. Mm-mm. I don't know. One thing I find not fun about being a gamer is, let's say you're a hardcore gamer for many long time, but then like you meet like a new style gamer, like they're casual, and then they're like gamer, and they're like like acclaim gamer, and you're just like, damn, I just spent a dozen years buying console games at $60. Damn, this gamer don't even know. That's one of those moments that sucks for me. I'm like, damn, the new gen gamer is like, damn. I think I want to, let me do it one more time. I think, do it one more time. Like when you see like a really hot female, and she's like and she's wearing, she's like has gamer stuff all tattooed on her and wearing gamer shirts, and you're like, damn, 10 years ago you did not exist. And I'm not saying that one's a double-edged. You'd be like, damn. That one's good and bad. Yeah. It's just, it was that pixel voxel freaking everyone making a side scroller thing. As soon as that goes stop, it's already gonna styles, guys, man. Trust me, Skyrim 2, and that's what I call it. I don't know the name. Will be worth every freaking cent. I mean, it better, right, guys? All right, let's edit this. This, that's like the only game. Let's tweet in Unity. This project was created from the free Unity asset. Please download and give credit. This project was initially with bugs fixed. There. Oh, wow, Hammer, you know the freaking name of Skyrim 2? It's Valenwood? That sounds cool. Really? I'm already hype. That sounds good. That's so cool. Cool fresh. Should be a big list of changes right here. What's taking so long? Let's I'm gonna open it in Unity one time. You and me, nothing but mammals. I know it. Sex ain't nothing but a thing. In the future, I have a feeling instead of handshakes and hugs, it's just like people are just gonna pork each other. I swear. Maybe in the distant future, maybe 100 years. I actually think that's gonna be how it's done. I really do. I really do. I'm that twisted. We are giving Bob Sen Jr. Thank you for that follow. We are giving away Bloody Boobs keys. We're programming the way it works is you tweet us out with hashtag Bonozo Boobs. We're writing the bot to determine the winners now live. So that means that in a weird way the rules of the contest are slightly janky because it's kind of pendant on this tech. But got a ton of them, and we'll give them away at frickin' will. I might just be like, I want to give away some boobs, and do it. You don't know. You never know. We're also gonna play it. Cringe is one of those feelings that's going from negative to positive. Like, I think pre-internet it was always bad. Now it's like funny. Like, if you see like a young person making out with an old lady, you would cringe. Tell me I'm wrong. I'm gonna have an old lady come out on this stream and make out with her. Get some cringe follows. Like hella old. Alright, let's commit it. It's weird how I don't get this part. I have them all selected, and now when I commit, they're not highlighted. I kind of don't understand what happened. To be honest. Please don't. Noted. Noted, Jake. Good career advice. Thank you. You should be my manager. Oh, it's cool. Sago Bear. I think currently it's okay because it comes up. You'll see even here as a game. Like you can put it up. And there's no nudity in the game. I mean, they wear bikinis and pasties. And in a way, it's actually, which game is it like? I haven't played it yet. Is it more like Dead by Daylight or... If only... Alright, did I commit that? So, what's happening... we're making our Twitter bot public. Oh, I want to add one more change. I want to mention this video that links to it. It's gotten kind of, to me, for a Unity tutorial that I did unintentionally on it's kind of popular for me, to me. Let's do one more edit. This video shows the creation and implementation. You may also speak with the original the developer live on Twitch. Voice of Grog, yes! Added video and stream links to README. Big deal. Whoop whoop. Bloody boobs. Bloody effing boobs. Alright. So what I can do now is answer this guy. Yes, and we're improving it. And it's being improved live right now, Beataway. This is Uzi's favorite part, but this is my own video, Uzi, so it's not unsolicited. Does that make you feel any better? Yes, here is the public GitHub repo link. Okay, we finally answered those video requests. Now they can use it at their will. I've wanted to stream out my Fallout 4, but everyone is naked, and I spent a lot of time in awe of the dong and the boob physics. Yeah, well, put a sock on it. Do some dong sock physics. Should be good. And just reference the Beatles cover if they give you a problem. You know what I'm saying? Alright, there's SmartGit. And has anyone done a hashtag Bonozo boobs yet? I bet no. No, everyone's too busy working. Let's run this. My pin. I don't know if I do. Oh man, I don't want to Good answer. All right, let's just reflect. I think we enter our own hashtag here. I want to make sure. So let's open the Visual Studio. Yeah, you got it. We'll see. I'm just getting all raunchy today. I don't know. Change it up. You and me, nothing but mammals. The Life app, haven't touched it since the stream, but I want to. I need it in my life. We can work on it. If you need it sooner than later, if you need it in your hands, you want a beta test, we could. That kind of push that up a bump. So, can't remember the main code files in this. Let's take a look at what scripts there are in general. We got Twitter, tiny Twitter, simple JSON. There's simple JSON and mini JSON. Uzi, where were you going with all of that? You didn't even freaking fill us in. You just left me hanging, or did I not read it? Get timeline. Man, I don't remember how to do this. Get timeline. Where's the hashtag? I can't remember how we did the hashtag. Home timeline. We did it to be able to get any hashtag. We did. Fallout 4? Yeah, Bethesda games, man. They're the best. They really are something. There's something. Man, I don't remember where we left this. I must have to watch my own video. Count 20, language, English. There it is. There's the hashtag. Okay. I almost feel like I should the way you get the timeline. Instead of tweets, it's statuses. Okay. We're gonna change this UI is now, we hacksorted it. I think it's using the old GUI, right? We don't even have a canvas. We're gonna update this part. You got it, Jake. To enter, you got to tweet this stream out about the giveaway. I should edit a click to tweet, but yeah, your odds are pretty good, Jake. I got a BH. And we'll even play together. Let me segue into setting up the click to tweet. I haven't used it in so long. Don't worry, if you're we can make the rules even easier. It's just how we're doing it right now.
69, dudes!
Yeti man, yet again. Where are my click to tweets? I have no links? I could have sworn I have a click link right on my own page. Bastard. Oh, it's done from Topcaster. We're going to change that. There's a click to tweet button on my page. We're going to change it. Like a boss. Like a self-promotional slut. And I do have the settings of the stream today set to mature, by the way. It's going to be Bloody Boobs giveaway. And then let's set up a frickin' Bitly. Everyone loves Bitly, don't they? The spam is real. The spam is freaking real. Because I'm such a hoe. I am a hoe. Mhm. 69, dude. Just customizing it. I'm gonna own the bloody boobs bitly like a boss. Cool. Okay, that's done. So the way that's working is we're gonna put it in the click to tweet. And then you go hashtag Bonozo boobs. Did you tag me though? Is that what you were doing? Because my bot will pick them up. No. Not yet. Alright, that's the click to tweet. Let's see how that works. Track links, track click stacks. No, that's not needed. Oh, I could have done that there. Oh, that might be nice. Let's try that. Well, this lets me change it. Let's do that. Man, they make their own. Where'd you get the freaking code? Oh, is that it? Copy. Okay. So, here. Freaking edit. No. Edit panels. I actually don't like this feature. I only like this feature on the new Twitch 50% of the time. Here we go. Submit. Okay. So to enter, you just do click to tweet, and it'll do Bonozo boobs. And you hit tweet. Jake, I could pretty much guarantee you a win of that. If you make it till... I can pretty much guarantee you a win of that key tonight because you rock, dude. And I really appreciate the support you've been doing on the stream. I love the tweets. I love the support. You've been really consistent since we met, and I am truly grateful. So it would be my honor. Elmer pretty much never used Twitter. Yeah, I'm gonna... That's just for this contest right now, Elmer Fudd. And we'll have plenty of others that don't require Twitter. This one right now does. And it's the reason why... The real... Mushmouth. The real reason why is I'm using it to kind of fuel the development of the Twitter bot anyways. It's useful tech to have, and I like having it in Unity. What up? Funny guy! What up, bro? How are you? How is the project? Let's take a look. Out. I think I've been removed. Well, that was fast. Shortest team up ever. Hope you like the work I did. You've got your cat. I've got my tinfoil hat. Now I'm here to spam your chat. Oh, you know what, dude? For the... I don't know. Is that a haiku? Oh, you didn't remove me? What was... Did you... Maybe... Did you actually mess with branches? Because... Dude, I need to, like, dump some... I need to download some 411 to you. Do kids know what 411 means? I might be too old. The, why that's bad? I don't see it. Maybe they crashed and did a backup. That's actually happened. Not in necessarily on GitLab, just in life. I've seen that on so many sites where they get so wrecked, they just roll back a day behind. I want to star that project. Severed Skulls! Yeah, I tried to warn you, man. But, oh no, no. Actually, that's good for learning. In the end, you realize that your project is way too small and too early to use that. And you would just create more work. Imagine the time you spent on it went into dev. We can get into the details. So Mushmouth asks, how do we feel about BBS? Mushmouth, I know BBS meaning bulletin board system. My days of running the hacking group Abyss. I don't know what you mean. Do you have a link? Bonozo did have its own Git server, actually. And I just dumped it a few months ago. I did. You guys, 611 is still relevant. 611, I believe, will call your cell phone provider. It's the short way to call your cell phone provider. I don't know. Is that how it works in Europe? I don't know. Right now, we're working on our Unity giveaway bot. All this social Twitter integration, by the way, my man 40 Funny Guy, is useful for games, man. The more you can like make it that people can do something, if that they want to, the more downloads you get. Okay, Mushmouth. I know the sysop of a few. This is the main one I go and was talking about the Python game we were making for BBS. I'll go ahead and take a look. Yeah, okay, so you are talking about actual BBS. What do you want to know about BBS? I like this, by the way. I like this. This is actually a... I don't understand what you're trying to say. Reborn. Born yet again. Oh, it's actual BBS software. This is fantastic. It does a lot of crap. How many users does something like that have? I don't know. What do you mean? Just blueprints and you're done. Yeah, let's go to game dev community, not boobs. Fine, Funny Guy. Since you're here, we'll do it. But then more people might come. And then I gotta like talk to them. I could. Oh my god, I kill myself. Love that Boobs community. But then more people might come. Oh, shut up. And then I gotta like talk to them. I could. Love that Boobs community. Then more people might come. Oh, shut up. Then I gotta like talk to them. Why is it still making noises? The Unreal community is useless? Ooh, ouch. Dat echo though should be fixed. I have every reason to believe dat echo is fixed. Let's add some UI. Actually, let's take a look at the existing code, how it's doing the calling. Exactly. On GUI. Really? I don't want to use that. That hurts. That hurts just looking at it. Ouch. What's nice about it, at least it's dynamic. This is the ugly. I want to kill myself looking at this code. Let's try, watch. First, I'm going to make sure it all works. We're going to click get timeline and see if it lists hashtag game dev, which I'm going to switch to Bonozo Boobs. Has anyone done the click to tweet? I'd probably get a notification. No, I won't. All right. Okay, it's still working. There's all these game dev tweets. Wow, that's fucking fantastic balls. Only plebs. Oh no! My favorite. It would not be good times without humongous genital. We are giving away bloody boobs, and we're gonna play Bloody Boobs, and we're programming the giveaway live for Bloody Boobs. Bloody Boobs is not against Twitch TOS. It's not. It's just not. Thank gosh. You can play Bloody Boobs on Twitch. I confirmed it. Let's add a canvas. What happens when you have these two dynamic things? I don't know what's going to happen. It's like when I run it now, it makes the buttons. What's going to happen when I add an actual button here? Let's rename this scene. That is a freaking terrible name. I mean, like, that's not even an exaggeration. Freaking demo? Let's rename it to bot. Isn't that even better? No. I'm going to call it bot. Biop. Boop. Oh, wait, I should have. Oh, crap. All right. And then, man, this code, I want to kill myself. Let's add a canvas. Add UI button. Change this text to the good old get hashtag. That tab though, and just so we don't kill ourselves later. Raycast target. Is there any reason why I should ever leave this freaking checked? I'm gonna start unchecking it because it just drives me nuts. All right, run it. Oh, I accidentally left the stream running. I got that all fixed and sorted. Okay, cool. So it's still working. Nice. Cool. So let's figure out how we're going to call that. Yeah, that was the lame. I hosted, and then because I was hosting, I couldn't see on my screen. I was streaming still. So when they unhosted, empty chair was there, and then I was like hella far away, and I tried everything to do to unconnect remotely, and you can't. And I couldn't get back. That was the only way to shut it down. We kind of. Oh, we're back on the GitLab. We're back. Wait. Actually, before I show it, funny guy, do you want to change your name from WE to FG inside GitLab in your profile first, so that when I pull it up, just say yes. We do make games. You don't know what you're talking about, bro. Well, you sure are getting close, though, EF. I mean, I'd even do it right now. I just, Mushmouth, too. You guys are worthy of it. I don't know. I just wasn't trying to... I don't know. So what's your problem? What does that bother you for? If that's, why do you care? So, yeah, we're going to see how we can call get timeline. All right, which is basically going to do that. So we need to call Twitter. Where is the Twitter script? I don't know. Does it need to be an entity? Damn. This is that mapping problem. Twitter. Yeah, it has to be a game object. If I do it like this, well, I don't know if that'll work. Let's try it. Oh, I got an idea. We can do it in demo, and we'll add a function. Public. Start get timeline. And then void. You remember the Domino's character, the Noid? Every time I say void, I think of Noid. Let's try that. Now I can just go button demo. Start. Get timeline. Getting a fast forward error on the push. I'm worried about it. What about you? You think of space, a black hole. The Game Noid, yes. I want to bring him back. I wish Domino's would bring him back. I'm going to sign that. Oh, you were a delivery guy?
69, dudes!
XP coin, WB. Found a few silicon graphic machines. I had one in my life. Yeah, funny guy. I'm worried about you. I hope your game works. The way I use Git, I don't have any problems. You're on your Git journey. Okay. I mean, you'll be fine. It just... throw branching in, you'll be really adding extra work. Alright, let's test get timeline. Yep, worked. And let's try this one, get hashtag. And it works. Okay, good. So we're moving over the old UI to the new UI. I'll go ahead and even let's rename this to let's move it over. Let's even put it where it was. $270. We'll have to remember that. Can I copy these all three? No. And let's rename this to button get hashtag. And we'll actually take out the old one now. Deleting this. Woo! Deleting a hack. That's progress. Nice. This is actually the callback. We'll leave it like that. Let's run it one more time just to check it. Yeah, you can still use it, the legacy one. I think there's a couple points where you want to. Very few, but there's a couple. You could. It's possible to code your way into where you might even want it. So weird. When HG first got here, we were getting along, and I don't know what happened to him. I think he might just be someone that's made a fake account, really. I'm not sure. I don't know. It's weird. Can't figure it out. Okay. We want to add a field to get the hashtag, but I'm going to go ahead and replace all of these. Post, tweet, enter pin. Actually, I'm not, because I'm not working on that. While it's on the brain, no, we won't add get timeline. We'll add the field. All right. Let's make a new empty object called hashtag. Move this into it so we can add a UI editing field. And I want to call this input hashtag. By the way, did I look that it was added? I meant to do that. Oh, you were changing your name. Did you change your name, funny guy? I'll check. There you go. You answered it. How big of a deal is something like Git on a big team? Sadly, funny guy, mine on the GitLab still says WE/40. I mean, I know you might not care, but I think it'd be better off I don't know why it is. Maybe does your repo on your own screen say like on your own screen? Here, watch. Oh man, I just did something crazy. Dang, I just messed everything up. Fuck. Oh crap. Oh man, that was weird. I just dragged my... Alright. On this screen right here, does yours no longer say WE? Like on you, is it fixed? Because mine's not. Oh yeah, maybe take me off and then re-add me. Dino Man 283. I guess I could re-sign in too. I could try that. I don't know. I'll try re-signing in. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, mine's not. I'll re-sign in. Maybe it takes a while? Okay, now it's gone, so maybe you are following those steps. It's gone. Again. I keep getting kicked off this team. Alright, it's back. Dude, mine doesn't say FG yet. That sucks. I don't know why. It says W, you know, Mr. Right, E/40. It's weak. You know what'd be cool, funny guy? To kind of like, not only would it make this look cooler, but in a way kind of test the refreshing of the GitLab servers to see what's going on with that. Maybe consider throwing in a profile picture for your repo. It looks way better. All right, let's take a look at the commits. Where are they? Oh, look, it's fixed there. That's weird. It's fixed there. Yours is fixed. Did you send me to developer? I don't think you set my access level right, bro. I am so going to strangle you. We're redoing everything. I know you don't care, but I don't want to be... Because, dude, I got like 500,000 YouTube subscribers, man. And then all the ladies find you, the project won't get done. It's a problem. Aha. I did get the new repo ad. Make sure I'm set to developer. Let me check it again. All right, I'm going to try it. The answer to your question is JIT, in my opinion, just is terrible, but it's free. And yeah, absolutely need to use source. I use source control when on projects that I don't even use as a team, because so I can roll back, so I can get all creative and hacksaw and then not worry and just undo with a click. Plus, it keeps the history. The reasons are so phenom. Man, I lost it. I lost my mind. Let's try it again. Refresh. I'm supposed to have a sound effect for refresh. I haven't ripped it yet. Dang. I'm control refreshing and it's still not showing funny guy. But do a profile picture. Let me know if you did a profile picture. Because I don't see that either. That was for now you're just starting shit. So how do you make the background UI into? Can you do that? Color. Is that the text color? Can you set the background color of the UI, or you have to make a frickin' box behind it? That's sort of rhetorical because we can figure it out. I just align by geometry, horizontal overflows. Color. Is that's the text color? Man. Kill you. He's already nervous. This is his baby. He's very careful of his baby. All right. So, wait. Input doesn't work? Did I do this wrong? What the fuck? That one works. I don't know how to do it. Where's my... I don't think I know how to do it. Did I do a text field? Shit, that says text. I didn't even do it right. What? UI. I did text? Input field. Damn. Added profile pic. All right, let's take a look. I got the... And it's fixed. Dude, that fixed it. Or the timing worked out. Funny guy. 40. Woohoo! Hype. All right. Now I'm set up. Oh, you did, bro. F and G. It doesn't feel right to give you trophies for this stuff, but I'm so stoked. So you so you started the new desert region. Nice. And then this commit. Did you test that your local, before I were to mess that I would make sure that your local and this are all working, right? Like pull. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. That's Fantasballs, dude. Nice. I'm looking at working on your game. It could be any time or day. I don't know. But I kind of currently have a target in my mind, like on Tuesday. Or, I don't know, just to make it where my focus is. That gives you a down with the plan chance to lay out a real janky arc. Okay. Good job. Yeah, over time you'll get it. It's a pain. Freaking. So we set the width, character limit, image type, image. Oh, width is here. Oh, yeah. That Unity, though. Yeah. And we'll put the default text. I'm pretty sure you can. Placeholder. Is that? Raycast target. Does anyone think of a reason why I should have raycast target set for UI? Do I need that? Because I can't. Input caret. What the fuck is that? Input caret? Is that the blinking light? Cursor, I mean? They call the cursor a caret? What? So this is just blinking? Oh my god. I like it, actually. It's just... That's why. Oh, it gets created at runtime. The cursor gets created at runtime. All right. So now let's add the hashtag. We'll do string hashtag. I just sneeze. I thought I did. I don't. I do. Bless me. This actually isn't get timeline, it's get hashtag. String text? M tweet? No. Alright, let's see how we pass down the input. Do we have to do all that get input, or is there a way the button can just be like... I'm worried. I bet you it's not going to be cool enough for this. Let's see. So this should make a parameter right here. Right, guys? Oh, missing game. And then for the string, I can't just be all like, boom, huh? That'd be too badass. Or boom. Fuck. I wonder what the most skilled Unity developer would do to just tie in. I bet you there's a real slick way to do it, and rather than the brute force way. But we'll do the brute force way for now. I bet you there's a real slick way. We'll do, oh look, string hashtag equal enter, fuck it. Actually, no, we want to do input field, or is it called input? Yeah, input, hashtag game object. That's good. And then we can do, yeah, then we should be able to do like this. That's not too bad. But then we'll have to, actually the text isn't even in here. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a, no, the input field doesn't have it. Yeah, it does. That, no, it has the text component. There's the text. Okay. Let's do it. What, there's a build error. Type string doesn't like... Just hold your horses here. Update. Hello? Oh, it's got to be public. My bad. Hello? Still building. You got it, FG. I won't. I can appreciate it because I could tell you've been doing it so long and it's still a mystery. Even I didn't even know what it was. I saw your stream greenlight and I was like, I don't know what this game is about. Though, how you develop a story game with mystery live and not spill the beans, I don't know. I don't think you can, to be honest. As my You'll have to do like a post-mortem blog about how you successfully streamed your mystery game live and no one knew the mystery. I'd read it. Why is it not here? Dude, I added it. Demo, public, input, hashtag. Oh, because it's input and I want to do input field. And that needs to be a .ui. Yeah. Yeah. Should come now. Old video games? How old? Yeah, the whole reason why I offered to help FG on 4.0 was to learn the story. That was actually my main, like, that's what I was going for. Like, that was the whole. Okay, so that's all working. Now, for the love of boop, let's see if I can do .text now this time. Come on, bro. Really? Input field doesn't have get. Wait. Hold on. No, to char array? To string? What's this one? Length? What? To string. Okay. I like to-string functions. Those are fun. Got it. Now we should be able to set the timeline. I don't want to go too far. Originally, this thing actually did get the timeline, and then I modified it so much that it doesn't anymore. Either I make a get timeline thing. The thing is, I don't even really care about getting timeline. This actually gets hashtag now. I'm gonna punt it. Well, I'll rename it in a second. Yeah, okay. So if I go rename. God dang, slow down. Get. Oh no. I think I messed that up. Should be get hashtag. Getting your own timeline is so useless. Why would you... That doesn't even get someone else's timeline. That only gets yours. Why? Why would you care? Like, obviously there are conditions, but I'm pointing out pretty useless, right? Overall. The reason why this code's kind of sloppy is I didn't write the original one, if you're wondering why, and I left it for reference. So now we can finally make this not a hack and go to game dev here, and we put it like this. I might get an error. See, that's what all that was for. That was the end. Yeah, you talked to me a little about the PC98. You can go ahead and talk more. A suggestion for a Mac game. All right, let's search for Bonozo Boobs. That didn't look like it worked very well. Nothing happened. Uh-oh. I broke it. Let's try game dev. How? Let me get an error. Man, it was just working. '90s. Later, funny guy. Great to see you again. Thanks for kicking me off the team. Let's maybe it's because that's not work. Oh, we didn't. No, here we'll just try it. We'll hard and see what happens. Kappa. Kappa. Man, I broke it. Oh, maybe the button lost the control. Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, this is what happened. Okay, so we're good. I wish Unity was smart to have told me that answer. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. What you gonna do? Just gonna have to. All right, let's try game dev hashtag. Could not authenticate me. Now it's all broken. I wonder if I broke it up. Jane. Okay, it's working. So I think the error was when I didn't put in game dev. See, it's right there. I should be able to get hashtag. All right, so the error is if that field's blank. No, what? What? Why doesn't it work now? ToString didn't work? Oh, that's not the field then. So ToString doesn't actually get you the string when you do. I'm going to do a Google. Here we go. Get text from input field Unity. We're using the wrong command. Actually, not you. It's .text. I tried that. I could have sworn I tried that. On everything, we did that. I don't know. Now it's going to work. It's going to work now. God. Here's all the game dev ones. Now let's do Bonozo Boobs. This is for our winners. It says 2 tweets. Number of tweets 0. Number of tweets 2, 0. I'm confused. Why did it say 2 and then 0? Right? Interesting. Let's check here. Hashtag. Bro, who's this on my wall? Hold on. We're gonna probably unfollow him. Alright, hold on. Because it's not English. Bonozo Boobs. Right, coming up 0 here. I wonder why it said 2 before. But this, the whole reason, okay, so the drama with making a hashtag thing on Twitter is it's not as straightforward, I think, as you might want to believe, because Twitter doesn't actually show you every search result. That's the problem. Yeah, well, it's like, I just wonder why it says 2 and then it was 0. Let me try one that we know doesn't exist. No. It does the same thing. We still get 2. Okay. Supposed to be is empty, empty. How do you do? Is it string? Is empty, empty, or no? Is null or empty? What up, Elmer Fudd? Yeah, man, you're the freaking guy. We have tons of projects, but we just got a Korstein just made a toilet for Top Caster. There's all kinds of fun ones. You're the freaking man, dude. I love what you made. We're doing a Top Caster stream on Thursday. I'm gonna make that a warning type. Is it log warning? Yeah. Okay, so now we do works. Then we'll do Bonozo Boobs. You went out to a pub? You at a pub? Dude, buy me a beer. So I could drink with you. I got 2. Do you see them? I got Voodoo Ranger and somebody stop me. And Dirty Bastard. Chilling in the fridge. Cool. That's cool. I much appreciate it, Elmer Fudd. Keep in mind, when you're on a game dev team, or you even help out on one, you know, it's only for the project's interest for the people involved to be pretty accountable. So like I might be or I might not be interested kind of tone would be too risky. I'm not saying I don't massively appreciate your offer. I'm not saying we couldn't work it out. But, you know, for the sake of the project, even if it's only one object, I know realize you don't even know what it is or what it would take, but it would want to feel more of a, even if just purely contributed or volunteered, you'd want it to feel a little more committed. All right, so that's all working. We're going to save all this and commit it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Can input which hashtag you want to pull. Pirates. Arr. So that's good. That's good. We got that. Did anyone do the click to tweet to win the boobs so we can... We're going to pick the winner out of this app. And right now when I do Bonozo boobs, I need to know if anyone did it so we can see if this works. I don't get any. I understand, Elmer Fudd. I did. I was just more hoping you'd appreciate... I was actually kind of hoping you would see that I do take our project seriously by my response. By not just going, oh yeah, okay, sure, here, can you make a frickin'... Every single thing that we request not only goes in, but stays in. Like, a lot of thought goes behind what we pick as a group, you know. And it's not gonna be like the shizzle gets used. It's very serious. I might goof around a lot on stream, but I'm pretty serious about the gaming. Okay. Did anyone click? Is everyone afraid to? Is the problem is that boobies are too controversial, and no one wants to do that? Sounds good, Elmer. Yeah. Well, thank you. Thank you, Fun Fox. Are you not interested in the booby game? Bloody boobs? I am. I can't really explain. I think to do with managing young people's hormones. They don't want them to reproduce before they're mentally... I think it has to do with that. All right, so I guess we should input how many we want to see. So let's do that. Let's do another input. We'll call it #num. And we'll default, we'll move it. I keep getting confused how this works. Do you want? You don't want to move the anchor point. Well, how do you just grab the object? Oh, you have to click it. Okay. We'll default it to 20. How's that? Oh, we got a ton of keys, Fun Fox. Yeah, a lot of people want the yeah, for sure. Yeah, my friend is Christian, and he told me his dad is a preacher, and he told me that he was taught that sex is bad. I don't care. All right, we want to input the number. Key secret. We're gonna do int num, and we're gonna hard code it to 20 right here, and then, which I thought, god damn it, put it here. To string. Does that work? Can you, how do you make it? Is that gonna convert it to a string? We'll see. Let's try it. As someone that grew up, my parents were divorced when I was 13. It was actually when I first started taking independent game development very seriously at 13. I was, oh, you're gonna like this, much mouth. At 13, I was programming my own BBS game. Go figure. And I was getting very into it. I'd already made a few other graphic games, and I would say that having your parents break up is hard on you. Makes your life hard, 5 times harder. And so what I kind of respect about the people trying to get a control on it is if the parents don't break up. There, it worked. We got all 20. So now let's input it. That worked. It's actually quantity. I'll do num. Should be quantity. I don't like QTY though. All right, let's add another one. What? All right, I'll just code it now. How do you make an int out of it? You get the text. How do you convert a freaking string to an array? I forgot. Maybe you don't even need to. Maybe you can just do that. No. Well, tell me how, bro. Alright. Fine. I forgot how. We've done it 1,000 times. A lot of game programming isn't really about string manipulation normally. Two int 32? I didn't do that? No. Fuck me. That ain't a thing. That's not a thing. Oh, you need to do a convert function? Fuck me. Whatever. It's hurting my head. I didn't see that the first time. Nectar 1 2 3 4 5. Thank you for joining. Your parents broke up at when you were days weeks old. Oh, my parents haven't broke up despite. Wait, and Elmer's parents didn't break up despite the fact that they probably would have had they not been strongly religious. Right, and that was kind of my take, Elmer. Yeah, well, you guys are all both like living stories, examples of what we're talking about. I guess in my mind, if I win this, it might lower my chances of winning another. I don't know, my mind's weird. Sorry. Those rules don't. It doesn't. There is absolutely no statistical. No. In some cases, it could. It doesn't. But yeah, I could see. My grandparents and every else in my family have been perfectly fine. Yeah, it would have to be like, the value is so different. If they were same value, then maybe, but it doesn't matter. It makes sense. I kind of get what you're saying. I'd probably feel the same way. But you'd be helping me test the thing. You'd be helping me test it. That's worth it. Whatever. Yeah, it's probably now more than ever. Being weird is probably like the most important thing right now. Let's do 10 game dev tweets and see if this all works. Error. Fuck you. Did I not do it right? Oh, I didn't set it. Oh, I forgot to set it. That's a thing. These could be null. Oop, I did that while running. Did I sell my BB Guess game? No. Only in my mind. In fact, the RPG system that I've been implementing into the Twitch chat is a copy of it. That's why I know it's going to be fun. Because I've already had it play tested. Here we go. Will I get just 10? And not 20. Let's try it. It worked. We only have 10, so we could do like 15. There it is. 0 through 14 working. Saving it. I'm schizo, he says. Let's do it. Did you click to tweet that out for me there? Fun Fox? Well, you're... Wait. So we could test this? Is that you? That's not you. That's somebody else. Who's that? Curl Exy. Who is that? Damn. Let's try it. Is that you, Elmer? Elmer, was that you? Maybe not in the correct format. There. No, you just press the click to tweet on the channel. You don't have to do it. It's hashtag Bonozo Boobs. You can do your own. But it's supposed to link back to the channel. God. Guys are my rule explaining. So I did Bonozo Boobs and it didn't come up. That's weird. When I do game dev, that's why we're testing this. We get number of tweets 2, number of tweets 0. That's weird that it does that. That's the testing. Yeah, well, you gotta like learn how to use it. It's not Facebook, that's for sure. Oh, really, Elmer? Shut the front door. Well, you're the first to enter. Oh. Looks like it. Cool. Okay, cool. Our 2 entries. So we gotta. The idea is to get this program to show those. And it's not. I don't know why it doesn't show them. It says number of tweets 2 and then 0. Let's figure out why it's doing it twice. Game dev comes up. Oh. Hogman doesn't do it twice when I do... Oh, it does it twice. Watch this. If I go game dev and I search for 5. No, how come it doesn't list it here? That's weird. Okay, it is 2. What is this? Tweets.count. What is tweets.count? Oh, that is to yeah, this is deletable. Right. That's to confirm that the JSON's even working. Right. That's cool. I like dark humor. This is like a dark humor channel. If you didn't know. What the fuck is that? Oh, I accidentally clicked something. Okay, so for some reason, when I do Bonozo boobs, I want like any I can get. It's not getting them. Yet on the Twitter, it shows 2. So what do we think the problem is? I wonder if since ID include entities. I'm gonna take out this English setting part and see what happens. I don't know if that'll work. It does work. I wonder if the language is a thing. Let me try that. Aha! We figured it out. Somehow hard coding the language to English didn't include your guys' tweets. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to announce the winners. The winners are Mushmouth and Elmer Fudd. To get the game, I have to gift it to you through Steam. If you have a problem with adding me on Steam, then that's the only way I know how to do it, because I have them as gifts. So I'm Bonozo. Add me if are any of you added already, and I'll give you your keys right now. Congratulations, winners. I am gonna make that minor change. Oh. Well, did you not tweet? Whoever tweeted. Whoever this is and Fox won. If this isn't you, then don't take it, please. That'd be rude. Okay. Oh, it's you. I'm sorry. It's not Elmer. It's Mushmouth. My mistake. Okay, it's Mushmouth. So this is you, Mushmouth? I'm sorry. I got the names mixed up, dude. I'm sorry. Mushmouth and Fun Fox. I'm sorry. It happens. Dumb streamer on duty. Yeah. You're neither? Then you don't win. Who is that? Okay. Look, don't... Okay. Be fair, you guys. Got plenty. You guys can both win if you want to, just not today. I don't know who did it. He might have even left. I don't know who that is. But Jake won. If you are one of these two people, please add me. Understood, Elmer. You never bought a game before? It doesn't let you add people if you don't buy a game? I could probably add you. What's your Steam ID? Yeah. I don't know. You got to be present to win today. How's that, Elmer Fudd? We already know Fun Fox is one of them. He's a winner. And I'm going to hit like on those. Yep. F-Time Foxy. Fuck is that? What? Okay, you gotta accept the invite. What do you use for games, Fun Fox? You play your Wii U? You know they announced, by the way, the Nintendo Switch dev kits are $500. Did you guys hear that? You can get a Nintendo Switch dev kit $500. Just found that out myself today. Man, Elmer, did you get that $30 Humble Bundle from a few days ago that had like every single game? That one's the shizzle. I have a crazy stream giveaway. Gotcha. Did you accept the invite on Steam there? You're making this pretty tricky, Fun Fox. Yeah, I would have loved a lot of those games. And to do giveaways with them. I would have loved that. So I don't see you yet. The way it should work is right here. You should have a green envelope and it says friend, you know, +1 new invite. Oh, when you bought it? Yeah, that thing sold out really fast. Fun Fox, I'm shutting down this stream. We're completing the giveaway. I'm holding out for you. Okay. Accepted at BRB. They got pasties. We're gonna play it, Elmer. I see it. I realized I could actually have done an email as well. Okay. Next time I might just do email. I didn't know. Okay. First. Keep saying. Okay, gifts sent. Thank you everyone for helping us work on the Twitter bot for Unity with the little Bloody Boobs giveaway. Came out pretty good. Nice little refresher. It's now public. That project is public. Somewhere on GitHub called Unity Twitter bot. And I hope to see you guys all next time. Live at Bonozo Apps. This stream. We'll be here tomorrow. Doing the damn thing. Thank you so much, everyone. I had a great time with all y'all. Shout outs to Fun Fox, Elmer Fudded, Mushmouth. Thank you, Funny Guy, for stopping by. Hammer's Edge, Uzi Monkey. And thank you for leaving, Humongous General. I'm really glad you bailed. Good night, everyone.